Hello and welcome to this week's edition of NHIS In A Week. We bring you highlights of events within the authority and the scheme. My name is Vaide Bichumwa. Now the headlines. NHIS signs MOU with Kofi and University of Ghana Business School on the new NHIS Learning Center. NHIS partners with International Maritime Hospital to provide health access to all NHIS members. NHIA boss acknowledges the importance of sports in promoting healthy lifestyle. Now the details. The NHIA CEO Dr. Okoboy signed a memorandum of understanding with the Korea Foundation for International Healthcare, KOFI, and the University of Ghana Business School to herald the opening of the NHIA KOFI Health Insurance Learning Center to be situated at the University of Ghana Business School. The center, which officially begins operations this month with an in-depth curriculum on health insurance, will serve as a center to develop human resource capacity in the management of health insurance in Ghana and across the African continent.
This is a union, like Prof said, that we hope will last for a long time. We are going to give it all the cooperation that it deserves from our end here at Authority. And I'm happy to say that I don't regret affirming my signature to this particular MOU.
Moving on, the International Maritime Hospital will now provide healthcare services to members of the National Health Insurance Scheme. At a brief ceremony at the hospital in Tema, the facility received official certification as a primary care provider. The credentialing of the hospital, according to the CEO of International Maritime Hospital, Dr. Efriye Echampong, couldn't have arrived at a better time, given that the facility's goal is to provide all Ghanaians with access to high-quality health care.
IMA, International Maritime Hospital, which is owned by the Ghana Port Harbour Authority. They built this hospital to make it international standards that will take care of all citizens, especially people around Tema and Accra, Greater Accra region. Our work has been extended to all over the country. We also getting visitors around the world. And it's all created by the dreams that was set up by the Ghana Port and Harbour. And we are being participants and workers to make the dream come true. Today is another standard, another level. Having partnered with National Insurance Agency Authority is a great achievement. We want every citizen of this country to have IMA care, to have international care, to have a care that, if it is in Ghana, you find it at Maritime Hospital. Even if it's not in Ghana, we can guarantee you'll get it for you.
The board chair of the hospital, Professor Gladys Amponsa, expressed gratitude to NHIS management for certifying the hospital as a primary healthcare facility and requested an upgrade to the next level as soon as possible. She pledged the board's commitment to working cooperatively with the NHIS to guarantee a seamless working relationship.
I also want to take this opportunity to say to the Honorable CEO that we need more cooperation. We need more education. I mean, I sit at the back, in the background, and I hear all kinds of things between institutions and authority. We need to be educated. Our staff are just going to start. If you make mistake, please don't hesitate to come and tell CEO that you have made a mistake. If you have filed in claims which you think are not good, please come forward and tell us. I'm speaking as a teacher now. These are formative years, or formative months rather. We want your feedback so that AMA can do better and better and better.
Dr. Alexander Edusei, who represented the Director General of the Ghana Ports and Harbour Authority, stated that the hospital was built not only to serve its employees and their families, but also to give quality care to all Ghanaians. He further indicated that GPHA, which owns the health facility, is eager to welcome all NHIS members for international healthcare experience.
We built this facility not only to serve our workers, as the CEO mentioned, but to serve our community and also as part of our corporate social responsibility. So for us to add NHIS as part or partners to this development, I'm happy. We now know we can serve more people. We know we can also still maintain our forward-looking tertiary institutional status. As the board chair said, we want to go to secondary ASAP. We want to go higher than that, and I'm hoping that with Dr. Okoboy being here, he will ensure that we get the highest accreditation that NHIA can give to this hospital and the facility we present. I've seen he's writing a lot. I know he's already approved. So I won't not even go further with that. But I'm happy. And we pray that we can extend these collaborations that we are doing to GPHA clinics and hospitals that we have.
The CEO of the National Health Insurance Authority, Dr. Okoboy, emphasized the significance of the relationship between the NHIS and the International Maritime Hospital, stating that the NHIS members will be the ultimate benefit. He also urged the hospital to educate patients to utilize the My NHIS app and the *929# short code for renewal of NHIS membership.
The National Health Insurance Scheme has grown to become a major instrument of financing healthcare delivery in Ghana and is credited with the improvement in the health-seeking behavior of many people in this country, with membership and utilization of the scheme growing year on year. Mr. Chairman, Madam Chairman, forgive me, 20 years ago, the current NHIS membership, 20 years on, the current NHIS membership stands at 17.2 million active members, representing about 55% of Ghana's population. We are striving hard to cover at least 80% of the population of Ghana to attain universal health coverage, which by definition refers to 80% access to healthcare without financing being a barrier at the point of requiring the healthcare. And we want to achieve this before 2030. Madam Chairperson, achieving UHC for Ghana also means that the National Health Insurance must do well to expand geographical access to healthcare and work towards eradicating out-of-pocket payment at health facilities for its insured members. Madam Chair, on our part, we have introduced exciting, groundbreaking innovations to make joining a scheme and being a member more convenient and hassle-free. We have recently introduced the My NHIS app. It's an app that you can download on Play Store, and you'll be able to register for the first time using your Ghana card and pay online without necessarily visiting our office. Until we introduce this app, if you are a first timer wanting to be on the health insurance, you had to necessarily drive or walk to our office to be a member. Now it's possible to do it on your phone. So I encourage everybody to download this app. This app more or less is a mobile office because you're able to register your relatives and third-party people, provided you have details of their Ghana card. It's important to also mention that *929# is still in service. With this code, you're able to renew your membership without necessarily going to our offices.
Moving on, the executives of the Ghana Arm Wrestling Federation paid a courtesy call on the CEO of the National Health Insurance Authority, Dr. Okoboy, at the head office in Accra. During the visit, the president of the Ghana Arm Wrestling Federation, Mr. Charles Osei, expressed the federation's gratitude for the support and resources provided by the CEO during the just-ended 12th Africa Arm Wrestling Championship hosted by the Ghana Arm Wrestling Federation. Dr. Okoboy acknowledged the importance of sports in promoting a healthy lifestyle, indicating that health promotion is one of the objectives of the scheme as it works tirelessly towards the inclusion of preventive health care in the benefits package.
I would like to encourage all who are watching to make sure that we encourage the young ones to enter the sport. It's not too late for people like this, my directors, why they can also do some. They should see coach. Coach Akwete, so that we see what we can do. So once again, let me thank you for coming. It's been a great pleasure partnering the Ghana Arm Wrestling, the association, the federation. And I have strong confidence in you that you do well in Kazakhstan, and I'm likely to go with you so that I'll bring a medal. People might assume that this one I procured it. I want to prove that I have medals that I proved before. So Kazakhstan, I just need the date early, so I'll put it on my schedule. Even if I have to be there for 2-3 days, I want to arrive, sleep over, get the medal, and come back.
Dr. Okoboy further commended the Ghana Arm Wrestling Federation for their dedication and determination in promoting arm wrestling and pledged to continue supporting the federation's endeavors. In appreciation for his contribution to the development of the sport, the federation presented the NHIS boss with a medal.
We also do whatever we can. I mean, I'm a son of this government, a son of the land. Anything that Ghana does to project the country, I'm fully on board. We'll see how we can get corporate Ghana government to give you the full support so that when you succeed, Ghana succeeds. And you never know, maybe out of that, I might even get, you might give me one of the titles, the 3 that you have. So on this note, we'd like to give all the glory to the Almighty. He makes all things look very nice and beautiful. Once again, congratulations to all executive management, to staff, technical staff, and to the participants and the ladies. But I'm very happy that we have females also actively participating.
Now to our very final story. To improve health and foster relations with the mother insurance body, staff of the National Health Insurance Authority and National Insurance Commission, NIC, played a friendly football match at the St. Thomas Aquinas Senior High School Park. The game, which ended in a draw with both teams scoring a goal each, offered staff a golden opportunity to interact, brainstorm, and strategize on ways to ensure all residents in Ghana have insurance. This week on Health Tip, we take a look at cholera. This is how we wrap up this week's edition of NHIS in a Week. For details of these stories and more, do log on to our website www.nhis.gov.gh or follow us on all our social media platforms displayed on the screens. My name is Vaidai Duchumwa Boateng. Thanks for watching.